Meringue Confetti. Kirsten Tibballs, you have my attention.
What could you not love about those two words together? Meringue and confetti. Lots of fun, great with the kids, and you can make it any colour that you want.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to get you to start. Yes. We've got a double boiler there, so some simmering water, ensure it doesn't boil, and we're going to add into there some egg white, sugar and cream of tartar, and this is the base of our Swiss meringue. Now, Swiss meringue is a meringue that doesn't expand in the oven, so you don't get big cracks or air pockets. Right. So it's a really good meringue for our confetti because it holds its shape really, really well.
All right.
You're going to heat all of that to 60 degrees.
So that's really changing quite quickly, actually.
Should we check?
Yes.
It's going up.
57, 58. Oh, it's all about the accuracy, you see. And
there's 60. Well
Fantastic. Done. All right, heat off and carefully take that off the pot because it's hot.
Now we're going to whisk it mechanically. The sugar's already in there, so we're going to whisk it up. And the beautiful thing about Swiss meringue is it holds really well once it's whipped, but you still need to whip it to a medium peak.
Okay. And is that a key indication that you know your Swiss meringue is almost ready?
It is. So dip the whisk in.
Yep.
And turn it upside down. It should hold with peaks.
Right. What's next?
We're going to fold through some cornstarch and some icing sugar. So here's the icing sugar. Do you want to fold it through?
I'd love to, yes.
I'm going to sprinkle that on top. That's been sieved. Because quite often icing sugar, particularly pure icing sugar, goes quite hard as it absorbs a little bit of moisture. Some cornstarch, which is going to stabilise our meringue kisses.
Ooh. So why do you not add the icing sugar and corn flour while you're mixing this?
Because you don't want it to be too heavy and knock out all the air. We want to maintain as much air as possible.
You're really delicate now. We're dealing with clouds here, so gentle cut through.
That looks good.
It's quite therapeutic, actually. All right.
So we divide it between the three bowls.
And I can only assume we're doing this because we're not having just one colour. Confetti needs to be lots of colours.
Exactly.
And what colours have we chosen?
Orange, pink and purple.
Ooh, I like it.
Now, a little bit of colour to start with because you can always add more, but you can't take it out.
No, okay.
See how that goes.
Oh, no.
Just a drop.
Oh, and I love just how it stains it when you mix it. And again, at this stage, you want to be quite careful not to knock back all that lovely air.
Yes, maintain as much air as possible. So we've got pink in the next one and then we've got purple. But the colours are really up to you.
Have I ever told you 3 of my favourite colours are orange, pink and purple?
No, you haven't.
Well, now you know.
Once we mix all the colour through, we're going to transfer them into individual piping bags. The fun part, piping the kisses onto a lined tray.
So they're going to be really, really tiny, is that right?
They're going to be really, really small, confetti size. Great.
Well, it's certainly a labour of love, isn't it?
It is. Your piping was pretty good though.
Thanks. I mean, you can tell the ones that I've done. It looks amazing. It really does.
These now go into the oven at 80 degrees Celsius for approximately 30 minutes or until they're crunchy.
All right. I'll bring these over very carefully if you don't mind opening the door. Well, our confetti is ready to go. They're definitely crunchy.
They're definitely ready for a party.
Yeah, absolutely.
And what better way to highlight the confetti than with some beautiful vanilla ice cream?
Oh, great. And will these last a while?
In an airtight container, and if they ever go soft, just put them back into the oven and that moisture that's in them will dehydrate and they'll go crunchy again.
Yeah.
All right, how many scoops we're going?
Let's go 3.
3's a nice number. Place that on, the last one there. For the confetti, we want it mixed a little bit, so I'm going to run this along. Almost seems a shame we went to so much effort. to pipe them, just to mix them up a little bit.
Oh, wow.
What do you think?
That looks so good.
Put it on the spoon, and then do you want to do the honours?
Oh, I'd love
Sprinkle
to.
from above.
From above. Ooh, confetti. Maybe a few more, why not? Oh. Kirst, that is such a fun way of preparing meringue. I love the idea of this. Next party, I'm going to make these.
What colour?